Alright guys, part 2. Let's see if it's still as strong. Oh yeah. It's still howling through the trees. My god. It just started. The video just started and it's already. That wasn't there before. There's a bag in the tree. Oh, the bag. It blew off the tree. Now it's flying through the air. I believe I can fly again. Just like the balloon. Where is it going? Bye-bye. See you later. Whatever. Here comes. Yeah, I think a gust is coming. Oh. If you guys don't know, that's my real name. On the chime, the wind catcher of that chime, that's my real name. Man. It's so windy. Oh! this, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't know if it happened while I was inside, but the thing that was right there next to that, I don't know if you saw it, but it blew off. It's laying on the ground. All right, I'm back. I put it back. Wait, there's a leaf on it. Hang on. Oh wow. It's back. It's back. Then there's a chime. Let's see, I haven't been back here yet. I'm probably not going to stay back here for long because I don't want a tree. If it was to blow a tree over. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm just going to show these kind of quick. My dad told me I should stay away from the trees. And he's probably right. Most people wouldn't go underneath trees just to show you wind chimes, so I hope you all like me for this. Oh, oh my, the wind's blowing everything. There's more stuff laying there. The wind must have blown those too. Wow. As you guys can see, this area back here, I've said before, it's dedicated to the cheaper, less musical chimes. These are just more regular wind chimes you find at stores. I just noticed something else I forgot to show you. I can't believe I keep forgetting. I have so many wind chimes I forget. This is the broken collection. Some of it's stuck. But see, it kind of sounds like that. And then there's this one. I forgot why it's back. Oh yeah. One of the strings come loose from the hanger. But you know, this one's still in pretty good shape compared to that one. I could probably hang it. Oh wow. I started the camera back at a good time. Do you guys like the sound of wind blowing through trees? I do. Although I don't hear it right now. I guess that one wasn't strong enough. It's strong enough to make that light post shake and bang, as you can hear. Actually, what is that? Is that the light post there that's banging like that? Oh, I heard that. It whistled through the trees that time. Yeah, that's that light post that's making that banging sound. And these bell chimes seem to be doing good too. Oh, you can see the neighbor's wind chime. That's the one I recorded. That one. You can see it right there. Bet at a better. Oh wow, it's blowing good too. Let's see, what else can we? Oh. You hear it, guys? It just whistled. And the chimes are swinging. Oh, God. Alright, guys. The next few seconds are just going to be the wind blowing through the trees, because I want you all to hear it. And that'll give you a clue on how strong it is. Alright guys, I went to use the bathroom. Oh God, there's a gust coming. Came back out in time. Oh, what happened while I was inside? That wasn't like that, was it? At least I don't remember it being like that. As promised, here's the sound of the trees. There you go, guys. That's really what it sounds like here today. Ah, man, that was strong. I gotta watch out for these thorns. It came back here so that way the wind wouldn't interfere with my microphone while I was doing that. Because if you're in a spot where it's really windy and you're trying to get the sound of wind whistling through the trees, if you're in a windy spot, all you'll get is. So let's see. Another gust? It's not as windy back here as it is in our yard, as you probably can tell. But the chimes back here are going. Yeah, that banging noise is that. Oh, wow. Yeah, the banging noise is, we live by an interstate, and that light is for the traffic at night, and that's what's making the noise. The wind's moving it. See? Oh, God. I just ran into a branch by accident. Alright, let's go back over here before a tree falls on me and then I die. Westminster's kind of moving like crazy. Oh, here comes the wind. I don't know if it was stronger before or now. Part of me wants to say it's stronger now. How else did that chair get out there? Let's see how the 27-inch is doing, Corinthian. Yeah, it's getting some wind on it too.